pajama.
Go ahead.
I like her.
Find the one with your name on it.
I like
Nicolka?
her.
Here. This one's, I don't know if your name. No. Here. That one's yours.
Mine?
Yeah.
I'll open.
Go ahead. Open it. That one's for both of you. That's the pet, the Tinkerbell pet. Go ahead, Noah.
I'll open.
In a second. Now you have to open the box.
I'll open.
In a second.
Can I see? Show Mama.
I'll help you. There you go.
I'll open. Hello, Pet.
One for both of you. One for you and one for her.
A pillow pet. Here's a pillow pet for you. No.
It's okay. She'll like it later, don't worry. Open it. Open one. Open one. Just rip it, tear it. Whatever you gotta do.
I guess I need to make a hole.
There you go.
It's snuggable.
It's a big one too. It's a really big one. Oh, you may want to help her with those. They have little things that keep them from coming out. She may break something. There you go.
The mouse?
Yeah. Hey, look.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a panda. Good looking that one. Let's see what that. Good. Nice.
Look at that.
Come on, show
Here,
me.
you need some help. Have Mama help you.
Give it to me now.
Okay.
Well,
Let's see.
that one's for you.
That one's for Nicolka.
Oh.
What happened to your... Oh. I think that's yours. This is his, right? From Sharon? Claudia. That's his from Sharon?
There's an envelope up there from
Oh!
Oh.
Ricky and his family.
Yeah.
From who?
Ricky and his family.
Lego
You
Hero.
like this guy?
Oh,
Lego
really?
Hero.
This?
Yeah, is that what it says?
It just says Idlewild Apartment Home.
Yeah.
Lego Hero.
Oh,
The
okay.
card is from, there's a card in there
Oh, okay.
from him and his family.
A
Oh, okay.
flashlight.
Oh, look at that.
Lego Hero.
Oh my goodness, 394 pieces.
Merry Christmas.
Wonderful.
You have something to do?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can I see?
That's a lot of pieces.
Oh, that would be neat to do, you know. The NASA ship today and this.
There you go.
The NASA ship waiting like 6 months to do it.
This will be like 3 minutes.
Right on this one. Give it this for me, so no, I will do that. This one.
Yeah, that one's Nicole Cash.
Nicole Cash.
Cook up.
That's for you.
No, not that one. Come on, let's see what else. That's Nicole. Nicole.
What
Well-
is that?
I guess you do get, is that one yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I always hear but
Oh, open
move
it.
it. I can see it better.
She made them do the things that she was crazy.
Oh.
What did you get, Nicole? Show me. It's another Tinkerbell.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's another picture.
It's another box? And what's inside?
Oh, she,
I'll help you with that.
you know, she was just